I did not wake up unhappy. I woke up empty. There is a difference. My name is Alina Brooks. I am 35 years old. I have been married 10 years. My husband is Marcus Hale. He is 38. He works too much. I am a graphic designer. I work from home. I rarely leave the apartment. I used to be softer. I used to wait by the door. I used to fix my hair before he came home. I used to care about candles. About music during dinner. About small surprises. Now mornings are automatic. Alarm rings at 6. Marcus showers first. The coffee machine hums. Steam rises slowly. No one talks much. Big day, he says. Drive safe, I answer. Door closes. Silence fills the kitchen. I stand still sometimes. Listening to nothing. Laptop opens at 8. Emails stack up quickly. Deadlines blink on the screen. At 10 I stretch my back. At 1 I eat leftovers. At 4 I feel tired. Same chair. Same window view. Same quiet walls. Marcus comes home after 7. Shoes near the door. Phone already glowing. How was work? I ask. Long, he replies. That is the full story. We eat in front of the TV. Forks touching plates. News playing loudly. I wash dishes alone. Water running endlessly. He scrolls through messages. Repeat the next day. Repeat the next week. Repeat the next month. Nothing dramatic happened. No fights. No betrayal. Just distance. Small and polite. Growing quietly. Then Daniel Reed joined our company. 36 years old. Freelance marketing consultant. We met on a video call. Professional discussion. Clear agenda. He spoke slowly. He listened carefully. He did not interrupt. After the meeting he wrote, "Thank you for explaining everything clearly." I smiled at the screen. I replied, "Happy to help." Simple words. The next day he asked, "Do you always work alone?" I typed, "Yes." "That must get lonely," he said. I stared at that line. No one had said that before. Marcus once called me strong. Strong means capable. Not lonely. Daniel began sending voice notes. Short ones. About work ideas. His voice was calm. Warm in a quiet way. Unhurried. I started waiting for them. Morning coffee tasted different. Evenings felt lighter. He asked about my hobbies. I said I used to paint. He said, "Why did you stop?" I did not know. Maybe time. Maybe neglect. At dinner my phone lit up. I turned it face down. Marcus did not react. Or maybe he noticed. He just did not ask. Silence is comfortable sometimes. Daniel texted late one night. "Are you still awake?" Yes, I was. Marcus was asleep beside me. Breathing heavy. Exhausted from work. I stepped into the kitchen. Lights off. Phone glowing in my hand. We talked for 40 minutes. About dreams. About feeling unseen. Nothing inappropriate. No flirting at first. Just understanding. Understanding can be dangerous. It feels innocent. It feels safe. Weeks passed quietly. Messages became longer. Calls became regular. He said, "You deserve attention." My heart reacted. I did not plan anything. I did not touch him. But I was drifting. drifting slowly. Away from my marriage. Toward a screen. Marcus said one evening. You seem happier lately. I forced a calm smile. Work is going well, I answered. Small lie. Soft delivery. Inside, something was changing. I felt alive again. And guilty. The affair was hidden. Not physical. But emotional. And sometimes. That kind hurts more. The turning point came quietly. No shouting. No discovery. Marcus fainted at work. Too much stress. Not enough rest. The hospital room smelled sterile. White sheets everywhere. Machines beeping softly. I sat beside his bed. He looked smaller somehow. More fragile than I remembered. The doctor said burnout. Severe exhaustion. High stress levels. He needs support, she said. Real rest. That word stayed with me. Support. I realized something slowly. He had been drowning too. Just differently. At home he slept more. Spoke less. Ate very little. I watched him carefully. Noticed the dark circles. Noticed the shaking hands. When did that start? When did I stop seeing him? When did we both disconnect? Daniel texted that evening. Miss hearing your voice. I stared at the screen. I looked at Marcus instead. Blanket pulled to his chest. Eyes closed in pain. I felt divided. Two worlds. One choice. Daniel called once. Phone vibrating softly. I let it ring. Marcus opened his eyes. You okay? He whispered. I nodded quickly. He said something small. I know I haven't been present. His voice cracked. I thought working harder would fix everything. He looked ashamed. I swallowed hard. I had been absent too. Just in another way. I'm sorry, he said again. For missing us. His hand searched for mine. I held it. It felt thin. Vulnerable. That night I did not reply. Daniel sent 3 messages. I read them all. You deserve more. I can wait. I care about you. Care. What is care? Is it attention? Or responsibility? The next morning I typed slowly. I cannot continue this. No long explanation. He replied. I understand. And nothing after. No fight. No drama. Just an ending. I deleted everything. Photos. Chats. Voice notes. My hands were shaking. Not from love. From clarity. At home I changed small habits. Phone stayed in another room. Laptop closed before dinner. I cooked fresh meals again. Lit candles once more. Not for romance. For effort. Marcus noticed quietly. You don't have deadlines? It can wait, I said. That sentence felt different. Before it meant delay. Now it meant priority. We started walking in the evenings. Slow steps around the block. No big conversations. Just presence. Just shared air. Just less distance. Healing was not dramatic. Trust did not rebuild overnight. But attention returned. I began painting again. He reduced his overtime. We talked more honestly. Modern relationships are fragile. Not because of strangers. But because of neglect. Emotional affairs begin softly. With listening. With validation. They grow in silence. In unspoken disappointments. In ignored exhaustion. I almost lost my marriage. Not through touch, but through attention. Love needs maintenance. Not excitement. Not escape. Sometimes we search outside for warmth. We stopped creating inside. Have you ever felt this kind of distance? Was it love? Or quiet imbalance?